too. Hey, girl! Let's go. Oh shit, okay. Alright. Oh, okay, we got a Johnny no hitchhiker. Let's see how good we can do this time. Johnny scares me now, because he's actually good at the game.
I gotta get out of here.
Johnny's hot. I can never be mad at him.
Okay, so this toolbox that I'm at right now either spawns in this room or the room that we always end up at. Did you just lock that door?
No, I'm near you. I don't even know where the fuck you...
That was Connie. Never mind. Okay, I'm getting Leatherface's lair door open. Sewer corridor.
You're in Leatherface's lair?
Yeah, I'm getting that door unlocked. Which leads up to the battery exits.
Oh, God. Okay, I think it's really...
The door's opened. Or unlocked, not opened.
Can I use that?
Can we get a
What
bone
is
scrap?
doing?
I need to stay quiet.
I'm gonna die.
Don't die. Haven't made it out of the basement yet.
This Leatherface is gonna kill me. I can feel it. He's like going fucking apeshit.
You need
I don't
help?
know where I
I'm leaving, I can help.
Something useful.
am. I'm in the basement storage area.
Johnny's down here.
I don't even know where a door is, dude. Connie's dead.
Is this you? No, it's
Yeah.
Anna. Are you dying?
I'm right next to you.
Are you Anna? Are you Anna?
Yes.
I thought you were Julie.
No.
I was looking around like, oh.
Where the fuck did you go?
Through the crack.
Oh yeah.
I got
know
this.
that.
I stabbed him. Let's go. Run up. Run up.
I'm not even in there. Fuck.
Oh shit, hey Cook. Oh no. I got all the killers on me. Do something, everyone. There's no trapper, so I can do this. Hey. Uh oh, I think I might be dead here.
Fucking.
I don't see him.
Okay. I'm in Johnny's shack right now.
With people on you or not?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm opening your inventory.
Yeah, I got Cook on me. Cook and Leatherface.
I don't know this guy.
Okay, right now I have no one on me, but I have the valve.
Johnny just came out of nowhere and fucked me up. I don't know why I did that.
I have all of them on me right now.
Do you?
Yeah, I do.
Tyrant
I sure as hell feel like I do.
I don't even.
I'm juking the shit out of them though. I can tell you that.
Is somebody else alive? I don't. Julie only has 200 points. I don't know what she's doing.
Thought you were Anna.
What? I am. That's
Okay.
what I'm talking about Julie.
I thought you said
In
Julie. I was
third
like, what?
person.
I was like, what the fuck? You ain't Julie. You're Anna. Okay, I had to go back down to the well. I had to
I heard
reset.
you.
I need to get another
The
bone
door
scrap.
that I'm at?
What?
Dude.
Oh, what's this?
Dude. None of these doors are unlocked.
Are you in the basement still, bro?
Yeah. Well, I went up for 2 seconds because you said the killers were all on you, and then Johnny came and hit me back down the ladder.
Yeah, they were all on me. I lied, I guess. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Run! 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 No! Woo! Oh my god!
What's wrong?
I almost died. I almost shit my pants there for a second. Okay, this bubble's really aggressive.
No shit. I was seeing that earlier.
I gotta stay focused.
Is any door
Gotta
unlocked?
get out of here.
For the basement?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man cave and the ladder that goes up into the garage area.
North tunnel. Okay. Is any of the doors unlocked in the house?
Oh.
Oh, hey. Do you have an unlock tool? You want to unlock this one? That'd be sweet.
Yes, I can use that.
Oh my god, my stomach hurts. I'm so scared.
Oh shit, Johnny's here! Johnny's here! You're welcome! I saved your life, but at what cost? Ah! Oh shit! Sorry! Oh no, I'm dead! Man, I'm dead! I'm out of stamina. Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead.
That's what you get.
Oh man.
Goddamn ladder again. What is Julie doing? Where is
She's
she?
in the top of the house. She's on top of the house. How the fuck she got there? I have no idea. It would have been nice to know. Oh shit! Jukes! Jukes for days! Slam the door! Okay. There's a door right there for him. Julie's kicking ass right now. She's, yeah, unlocking something.
I fucking hate this.
These guys are insane. Okay, Julie's unlocking the front gate right now. Or the front door for the house, not the gate. Oh, he's right there.
I don't know how to get out of here.
There's a, to your left, behind you. Right there, there's a, yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, he's coming your way.
Wait. No.
Yeah, Julie's almost got the door unlocked, so if you want to head upstairs somehow.
What is this place?
Oh, just keep going. Go to the gate to your right. Yeah, try going through the gate. Yeah, the gate's unlocked. Go up the ladder, if you can. Ooh, you made it just in time. Okay, so go right in front of you through the door. Keep going. Oh, no. Keep going. Keep running.
I can't.
Oh, you don't have choose flight. Run!
I can't.
No! No!
Oh, that's
No! Almost got it. Man, what a close game. Not even close, it was just hectic.
I think, never mind, I think it's just PlayStation players or people online. And then, there you go. We'll just lower it down.
What were you gonna say?
General.
What were you gonna say?
What? No, nothing.
Most people that have Spider-Man icons are what?
What is going on?
Sweats? Smelly?
No, don't worry about it.
Bad at the game? Say it.
No, I went as far as to say that everyone
Julie, look over
on
here.
this godforsaken platform is weird.
No, 100%.
Over here.
Like,
Thank
I,
you.
and then I just went with all men are fucking weird.
They are pretty fucking disgusting and weird, not gonna lie.
Especially the ones that spend a lot of time online. You cunt!
Danny,
Lead to the others.
Yes!
I'm
Oh,
unlocking the bone room door.
now he's coming. And I don't have another... Fucking bitch. Get back here.
Find his IP address.
I fucking will. You know,
See where this goes.
I'll become a hacker and I will extort
Oh,
people.
Leland.
Do you ever see those Instagram comments where people find the IP addresses and everything and they just comment that? Like, how the fuck do you
Or-
find that?
There's this person on TikTok that wears a mask, and he'll post videos of like these mean people that people record, you know, like Karens and shit, and he'll literally find like their address and hometown and everything,
Jesus.
but he'll only reveal their name for like the TikTok. And he's like, just so you know, I have all of your information. I'm like, there's this one documentary on Netflix where this one person
Use that.
Oh shit, Johnny's down here.
he could identify where a person lived just from like a blanket in their house, or narrow
Damn.
it down to the state and stuff like that. What the fuck? Fucking scary. Did I give a random stranger online my address? Straight up, yeah, but
That's
cares
besides the
about
point.
that?
I think
Dude,
this is what we use back home. This
Okay,
should-
Johnny and Leatherface are downstairs, so I'm heading upstairs to the
Who's
sliding
the
door.
third person? Cook.
Sweet.
Put a lock on the door.
Slaughterhouse?
Why did you have to fucking stop right next to me?
Cook, fuck off, you piece of fucking shit. I hate your fucking ability, dude. It's so bullshit. Sorry. She's really pissed off right now.
Now everyone's upstairs.
Cook, how about you suck my fucking dick, you little slobber knocker? Piece of shit.
Good God.
Sorry, I'm just like not in my groove, you know what I'm saying? Dude, I swear to God, this is a victim. Oh, you're getting. Oh, you're doing that thing over there.
Oh, sorry.
Julie, you're
No,
still
go for it. I don't want to do it. He's coming.
Is everything blocked? Okay, got it to the second notch.
Okay, I'm gonna work on
But
it.
it has a cook lock on it. So.
Yeah, I don't have a second unlock tool. I got the cook's lock unlock off of it.
Okay.
I have a health bottle instead of an unlock tool, which is kind of annoying, but it's a big one.
Okay. The Leatherface back over there.
Yeah.
Ooh, Johnny within the... I blend in with these chairs. So is he just camping the area then now, I guess?
It seems to be that way. Oh, I'm going out the basement next time, so I'm right here.
Me too.
Thanks whoever did that.
Someone!
I was going down the stairs to get a second unlock tool, but yeah.
This'll work.
Someone has to help!
I'll take it.
I was like standing outside of the building.
They're all there. They're all there. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Alright. I guess I'll take it.